Hello, guys. Greetings from me to you all. Wherever you are, receive my greetings. Now, today, guys, still on our Photoshop tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys the work of most of these tools we've been using. I'm gonna be showing you the work, how they are being used. Okay, first of all, let's just get our working paper from file to new, from new to getting our international paper, from our international paper to setting up our millimeters and centimeters and all that, and to clicking OK. Now getting our layer. Now I just want to do something. First of all, I want to get our text tool first. I want to get three different things. I want to type first. Yes. Okay. After typing yes, let me just increase the size a bit, then I'll get some other things that I want to work with. Okay, let's just yes. Now let's get another layer. This is layer for yes. Let's get another layer. Now this layer, we're going to get our triangle. Let's get it from another place. Let's just get a triangle here. Okay, now let's get another layer. We're going to get our picture, open up a picture, and then bring it there, so you can be able to see how some of these tools work on different things. Okay, let's just click on this picture. Let's use our let's use our rectangular marquee tool to highlight it, and then we're gonna copy it, and then we'll paste it here. Okay, we're gonna paste it there. Let's increase the size a bit. Okay, now we have three different stuffs, three different layers. Now so many layers, so many tools we've been using. Now the first on our list of the tools we have when you go up is the move tool. This is the tool we use to move most of our work. When you get any other tool from here, after working with it, for you to move your work, you just have to go back again to the first one and then you drop it. Everything will be the same, so you can be able to move your work. Now the second on our list from the left hand side of your work is called the marquee tools. Then you just click by the edge. It will give you the options that are there. It will show you all of them. Now we have the rectangular marquee tool, we have the elliptical marquee tool, we have the single row marquee tool, then we have the single column marquee tool. These tools, they are just the same as we still have something that looks like that down. I'll still show you. It's kind of rectangle, but these ones are dotted. They are mostly used to highlight some work. Like if you want to highlight this picture, we just use our rectangular marquee tool because it's rectangular in shape. We just click on it, then you can be able to apply anything on this picture because it's highlighted already. Now let's just remove it, Ctrl D. Now this is it. We still have the elliptical marquee tool, so it's the same thing as the rectangular marquee tool and then the single row marquee tool. So these are dotted lines, dotted rectangle, dotted elliptical stars. So this is their work. This is what they do. Now we have the third one. If you click on it, you get the lasso tool. We have the polygonal lasso tool. Then we have the magnetic lasso tool. So these tools, they are used to kind of highlight a work also. Now this lasso tool is just same as pen tool. Now if we click on lasso tool, it's gonna change. So all we have to do is just use it to highlight our work. Use it to highlight. You use it to highlight. You use it to highlight. You just make sure you highlight it very well. It's gonna kind of, it stays same as highlighting tool. Now let's just remove it. Control D. So same as polygonal lasso tool, magnetical lasso tool. So these are the highlighting tools we have. Now same as this, the next one, you click on it, quick selection tool. Now you click on it, it's same as all these highlighting tools. These are the highlighting tools we have. Now magic wand tool. Now if you click on the quick magnetic tool, you just, let's use it on if you still use it here, it's gonna work. You just have to kind of click any way you want. It's just, it will highlight everything as quick as possible. So this is their work. This is what they do. So you just have to learn how to use most of these things. Now we have the next one. You click on it. We have the crop tool. Crop tool, you know what crop is. To crop something is kind of minimize it, or expand it, to make it, to scale it to some part of, to a kind of shape, something you want. Now we just click on our crop tool. Let's remove this. Control D. Now it's already showing there. The crop tool is already showing there. You can kind of reduce the size of this. You can increase the size. So this is their work. This is what they do. Crop the image. No, don't crop. Or let's just cancel. Or let's just say don't crop the image. Don't crop. So this is it. This is what they do. Now we have the outside the crop tool, we still have the perspective crop tool. It's gonna affect the whole of the layer. So you can see there. You can see the sign. As soon as we click the perspective crop tool, it's affecting every area of the work. So this is their work. Then we have the slice tool. The slice tool, mostly you're gonna use it when you start working on web design and all that. So this is the tools we have. We have the slice tool. Then we have the slice select tool. This one mostly is when you're working on web design, software, internet, this thing, website design. So if you want to upload something on the web, you're gonna save something for a web purpose. So this is where you use the slice tool. Now we have the eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool, mostly it is used to kind of clear some stuffs, but it's not mostly for Photoshop. Now you can see what it's doing here. Mostly we don't use eyedropper here on Photoshop. Now color sampler tool. Color sampler tool. So these, they have their works, but anyway, let's just ignore this one because mostly we don't use this one here. Now we have the ruler tool. We have the ruler tool. It's gonna get to your information, your ruler, which size you're working on, and that all this and all that. Then we have the notes tool. The note tool is same as text tool and all that. So it's gonna do some stuffs. Now let's go down to, we have the one we call spots healing tool. When you click the next one down it, you have spots healing tool. Spot healing tool. We have healing brush tool. We have patch tool. We have content away move tool. Then we have red eye tool. Excuse me. Now the spot healing tool, if you click on it, let's see what it does. Now spot healing tool, it's gonna remove anything spots here. It's still loading anyway, so it's taking time. So it's mainly to remove spots that are on pictures. And then healing brush tool, it's almost the same thing that it does. So it's now this healing brush tool, it's same thing as this one. Let me just show you. clone stamp tool. The same as clone stamp tool. Now for you to use this Helium brush tool, you just have to click on Alt, so they can be able to get, let's just Alt here, and then we go there, Alt click to define a source point to be used to repair the image. Now if you just click Alt, okay, because I'm using one hand to hold this. Now Alt click, so I'm using one hand, I can use this now. So this is just the 8, but I'll still show you more when you go to clone stamp tool. Now if you want to change this face of the image, this picture, if you want to remove something, you just have to Alt, then when you want to use a Helium brush tool, you just click on Alt, so that the place you clicked first will come up when you click on the next on the face of that picture. If you click Alt on this blue stuff, it's going to apply on the face of this, but I can't do that now because I'm using one hand to hold my what I'm used to record. So this is it. Then we have a patch tool. The patch tool, if you have any kind of if you want to remove something from here, then you just use it to indicate. If you indicate it, then you can be able to move it. You remove it and then you place another one you want. You just kind of remove something and then you replace it with another. That is what the patch tool does for this does in this place. Now we have the content aware move tool. Content aware move tool, it's almost same as a patch tool, but you just have to, here you just remove this, remove it, the ones you don't want, that one will still be there. So if you just click on it, whatever you don't want around, you just have to remove it. It will just go out from there, then the other one will still be where it is. Let's see what happens when this finish loading. It's taking time to load. Come on. So this is it. So this is what happens when you use a content aware tool. So it's removed this part, and then the other one it's affected. But if you wanna take it back, you just, let's just go back a bit. So it's taking time. So this is what it does. Now we have the one we call brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, mixer brush tool. So these, I think we have to stop here now. To next time we'll continue from brush tool, because I don't want this video to exceed 10 minutes, but it's already gone. So this is it. Next class I'm going to show you what these other tools, what they do. They have so many uses, so many things we can do with these tools, but for now I'll just stop here. So I hope you guys got a glimpse of what these tools are being used for. We have so many things I have to show you, so many other tools, so many other styles, and then things we have to, adjustments and styles we have to use these other places, but I'll still show you, on the long run. Let's just leave this one here for now. I wish you guys a happy viewing. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to see more of this and then watch more of my videos. Thank you guys.